Hello dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is the second part of 7th chapter. Can you see the pattern of class 5 subject mathematics? Let's start the class. So now come to today's topic. So today's topic is patterns and their rules. So here is the question. Let's read it first. Some patterns are given below on the left side of the red line. So this is the left side of this red line and this is the right side of this red line. So left side we can see some picture problems and right side we have picture answers. So now what we have to do? For each pattern write the rule. So we have to write the rule for this pattern. Here we have some space. So here we have to write the rules that on which pattern these pictures are based. Then choose what comes next from the right side of the line and tick it. Okay, so in the next what will come, we have to choose from this answer box. So now come to the question direct. So here we have question A and pictures are here. 3 pictures are here. So first picture, 2 triangles are here and 2 circles. First circle is in green and second is in orange. So in next turn we can see that in second picture it takes how many turns it's. So to understand this, what we have to do? First we have to divide this picture. Okay, just try to divide it for understanding that it takes its how many turns. So we can see that the picture is not taking its 1/4 turn, because in 1/4 turn what will happen? This upper box will come, means this third picture will be its 1/4 turn, but this is not. So which turn it is? This is its half turn. So we can say that what is the 1/4 half of 1/4. So we can see that the whole picture means, let me change the color first. This portion was its 1/4 turn, but it was not taking its 1/4 turn, it was taking its half. Okay, so we can write that this is its 1/8 turn. Clear? For understanding you can see. Okay, now in next turn it is another its 1/8 turn, means 1/8 turn we can see here. So in next picture once again it will take its 1/8 turn. So in 1/8 turn what will happen? It will be looking slantly, means triangle will be slantly stand. Okay, and there will be circles, and yes, the green circle will be right side and the orange circle will be on left side. So we can see that the second picture is the right answer. Okay, so I hope that you have understand that what was the turn. Here we can write the rule that what is the rule? Turning its 1/8 turn and repeated it. We can write it. Okay, now if you want to answer in degrees, so you can also give it. How? Because you can understand that this turn means the pink portion that I have colored, you can see this is its 90 degree. Okay, so and 1/8 is just half, means 1/4 is 90 degree, so 1/8 is its 45 degree. So we can write turning 45 degree clockwise each time. Okay, now come to the second picture. So in second picture you can see the first picture. Here we have 4 triangles in orange, blue, yellow and pink color. So in second picture what is happening? First you have to divide it, okay, for your understanding, because generally a picture is turned in its half or 1/4 turn. Okay, so now come to the second one. So in second picture you can see that the orange triangle which was on left side, now it is on its right side. Here you can see. Okay, so it takes its how many turn? Can you say that? Yes, it was its 1/4 turn. Okay, similarly the blue color, okay, the blue triangle was upside and now it is its downside. It means it is also taking its 1/4 turn. So whole picture is taking its 1/4 turn. And now in the third picture we can see that the pink color triangle on the second picture, that was its position was on the left side. Okay, now it is on its right side. Clear? Orange was on right top, now it is downside, and similarly blue one. Okay, so we can see that 1/4 turn is taking all time. So what will be the rule? We can write the rule 1/4 turn each time in a shortcut. And if you want to answer in degrees, so 1/4 means this is the 1/4 position. Okay, the whole is 360 degree, remember it. The whole is 360 degree and its 1/4 is only 90 degree. So you can write here turning 90 degree clockwise each time. Now come to the, and okay, now it's answer. So for the answer, check the third picture. The yellow one triangle is on left side, so it will be on come right side. Okay, yellow will be right side and pink will be down side, pink triangle. Orange triangle will be on the left down and blue one will be on the left top. So we can see the second picture will be its right answer. Now come to the C number question. Here we can see the picture. Okay, first you can, to understand this, you can draw the line. Okay, then you can easily understand that which turn it is. So here you can see that the picture is taking its, yes, once again 1/4 turn, because in 1/4 turn the down side will come to the upside. Here you can see this, it is taking its 1/4 turn. Then in next picture also it is 1/4 turn. Okay, so what will be the rule? Yes, you can write the rule turns 1/4 turn and it is repeated, or in degrees you can write turning 90 degree each time. Now come to the next, number D. So here you can see the first picture. Okay, check the down, check its down picture, down face. Now in second picture it is facing to the left side. Okay, so in which direction it is going? In left side. Okay, means if it is a picture, okay, let me try to clear it. So first let me divide this picture. I have divided it. Now you can see that this picture means just focus on its face, which is on down side. Okay, now in the second picture it is facing to the left side. Okay, so how many turns it took? Yes, it took only its 1/4 turn and it is anti-clock, remember it. Now once again in the second picture, if you will see this, so its face is now upside. So once again it is taking its anti-clock direction with 1/4 turn, and in the next once again it is taking its another anti-clock turn with 1/4. So here we can write 1/4 turn with anti-clock. Okay, anti-clockwise turn, or in another way you can write 90 degree turns in opposite direction, or you can write in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, now there is another way that you can write here. First you will observe this picture. Okay, two rules I have clear. Now this is the third rule. Watch the picture properly. Its face is its downside. Okay, let's suppose that it is its face. Now on the second picture it is facing right side. So let's turn this picture, okay, to getting its right turn position. So now it is facing downside, now left, now up, and now another one is right. So how many turns it took? 1, 2, 3. Means 3 turns it took. 3 turns. Okay. First it was facing downside, then left, then upside, then right. Okay, so in 3 turns, 1, 2 and 3, in 3 turns we got its second picture. Clear? Now come to the second. Once again we will turn this picture using 3/4 turn. So in 3/4 turn, how it will look? Now it is facing the right side. So in another picture it will face downside, then once again left side, then once again upside. We are turning this shape clockwise. Okay, remember it. It is different from the previous. So now in the third picture we can see that yes, its face is upside. It means we are right. The picture is taking a 3/4 turn clockwise. So what will be the rule now? You can write turn 3/4 turn clockwise, or in degrees if you want to write. So 3/4 means how many degree it makes? The whole picture is making 360 degree. Okay, and but three turns, 3/4, 1, 2 and 3. So this is 90 degree, this is 90 and this is 90. So 90 3 is 270 degree. So now you can write the picture is turning 270 degree clockwise. And now its answer, come to its answer portion. So let's use 3/4 turn. Now it is facing left side, so face up side. Okay, it will be its first turn. Then second turn will be right side, then in third turn it will look downside. So we can see that the first picture is the correct answer. Okay, if you will use 270 degree direction or 3/4 turn or 90 degree anti-clock or 1/4 anti-clock, so you will get this answer. Now come to the second question. Look for a pattern. So it is different from the previous question. So what is the question? Mark that picture which is breaking the rule. Okay, the all pictures are in their patterns and rules, but one picture is breaking the rule. So correct it, find it and correct it. So let's find it and we will try to correct it. So come to A. So first we have a picture, beautiful. Now it's very beautiful. Now you can see that the circle is on upside. Okay, now it is downside, now upside, now once again it is downside, now once again it is up, and now it is once again up. So it is not possible that two times it will continuous show to the upside. So we can see that this one is right and this is the wrong picture, because it should show the circle to the downside. So this is wrong. Now come to B number. The umbrella is facing which turn? Let's see. First divide in 4 parts. So now it is facing, let's see, this is its face. Okay, it is facing to the right side, now downside. Okay, now left means 1/4 turn it is taking. Okay, the first one was taking half turn, now second one is taking 1/4 turn. So now it is facing downside, then left, then up, then right, then down. Oh, here this umbrella is not facing to the downside. Okay, according to the rule, this umbrella should face to the downside, but it is not facing. So this is the wrong picture. And if you want to correct it, so its face will be downside. Okay, now come to C number. We have a bird. So first picture, you can see the mouth, the face of the bird is upside. Now in second picture it is also upside. Okay, in third picture it is also upside, but in fourth this bird is facing downside. Okay, now in next picture it is facing upside and now down, means up down up pattern is here. So it means here is any one picture is wrong. So which one is wrong? Yes, no doubt the second one is wrong, because it should face downside, then the sequence will be correct. Now the last one we have D. So this is made by square, circle and triangles. So outside we have a square, then in the middle we have a circle, and at last we have a triangle. So in next picture we have triangle, circle, square. Okay, then in next picture once again we have the first one picture, square, circle and triangle. So in next picture we should have triangle, then circle. So here we don't have a circle. Okay, then at last we should have a square. So this is mismatch. Now in next, once again the third picture will come here. So square, circle, triangle. Yes, it's correct. And now another one, it should be like the first one, triangle, then square, then triangle, then circle, then square. Now it is correct. Then the last one is also correct. So we found that this picture was wrong. Okay, so how can we correct it? So no doubt it will just look like the second picture. Clear? Okay, now in this way our topic is clear. I mean, we have covered this topic, patterns and their rules. I hope that you have very well understand it, and if you have any doubt, so text me, message, write your doubt in the comment box. I will definitely try to clear that. So see you all in the next video. Till then, be safe, be healthy. Jai Hind.